I think that this is the easiest way to colorize your terminal text. First, I'm going to install the Term Color library. Then I'm going to copy this example and try to copying it, saving it, and running it. This is the colorized text. Now I'm going to run another command. Then we look to the code. In the README of the library, it says that you can run this command to run a demo. We're going to run this command, but without using the tree for Python, and then see the demo. Yeah, it worked. So now we're going to look inside the code to see what are the possibilities. From the library, you can see that we have two methods to print the colored text. The first one is to create this text by calling colored with the text, the color, and the terminal attribute. The second way is to call the cprint command or the cprint function with the text, the color, and the attributes. First, I'm commenting out the code. I'm letting only these two statements. The first, the colored statement that will create the color text, and the second one, print, that will print the text. So first, parameter hello world, the text to be printed, red, the color of the text. I'm going to remove this attribute. You can see it printed the text hello world in red. I can use green. It will print it in green. So this is the first color attribute. The second color attribute, it's an on color. This is the background color of the text. For example, I'm going to say on white. It will print the green on white, or I'm going to say red on white. Also, it will print it on white. This is called the highlight color. You do not have to use the names of the colors. You can use the RGB code. For example, we have the RGB code of the blue color and the RGB code for the red color. You are going to see red printed on blue. Then there are these attributes that you can assign to your terminal. I'm going to start by the bold attribute. You can see here the text in bold. I can have other values underlined. My text will be underlined. I can also add reverse. What reverse does, it's that it will change the highlights to the color, and the color will be the highlights. So here I'm going to recuperate or write again my previous highlight to see the results. I must have a blue text on a red background. There is the strike. So there is strike, and there is also concealed with the O. Can run it, and you can see that the text is not visible. There is the last one, blank, the one that will not work here. But according to the documentation, on Windows, only the reverse works, but the other attributes do not work. I don't know if it's related to settings I'm having on my terminal, but I'm having all the values, all the attributes working, but not the blank attributes. I'm going to try now using the cprint method. So here I'm going to not add this attribute. I'm going just to copy these values and use them on my cprint call to see if it will work, and comment out the two previous ones. I have my text hello world. I'm going to print only, or cprint only, hello, and run the code. So it's concealed. I'm going to remove this attribute. It shows that it worked, and I have this text. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.